keep my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this under.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Last week I was so exhausted. I didn't have any motivation to film, but I am back and feeling refreshed. I got a lot of sleep and I'm feeling much better today, so I thought I would film. I usually try to upload every Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I can get back into that same routine. In today's video, I'm going to be trying a few new products that I'm really excited about. I went to Ulta and I picked up this eyelash curler. This is by Tarte. This is Picture Perfect Eyelash Curler, and it is designed like a mermaid tail. I just thought it was really cute. I know this one has been out already and I'm a little late on getting it, but better late than never. I'm just gonna open it up really quick to show you guys what it looks like. It's so cute. Oh my god. I love Tarte. So here is the eyelash curler, if you can see that. And then it just comes with a mascara. I'm not sure if I'll be using the mascara, but I guess it does not hurt to try it out. Called Lights Camera Lashes. That's really cute. Let's see the wand. Let's open it. It seems like it's a pretty good mascara. And then the packaging of it is also shaped like a mermaid, kind of like the mermaid scales, which is really cute. And it also comes with an extra rubber. I don't know what to call these. Comes with a little extra rubber just in case the one on the brim gets messed up or overused, I suppose. So it just comes with this little extra one here, which is really handy. Thank you for that. The next item that I picked up from Ulta is a Urban Decay palette. This is the Beached palette. This palette, you guys, is summer goals, okay? I'm just gonna open it up. This makes me so excited. So all of these shades here represent summer and just like, I don't know, it's like the ultimate summer palette. So the first one they have is called Salt. Next one is Blaze, Heatwave, Daybreak, 16th Street, Double Dip, Plunge, and Wedge. Yeah, I'm really excited for this video. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So for this tutorial, I'm kind of thinking that I just want to leave my eyebrows alone and just kind of leave it very natural and have the eyes very blown out. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to let them be for now. And if I decide to change my mind later, then I'll go ahead and fill them at the end. So taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand, I'm just going to prime my entire eyelid. You don't have to use too much of this product. This product is very thick, so a little bit does go a long way. Going in with my first shade, this is going to be my transition shade. I'm going to be using the color Daybreak. That is the the fourth shade in the palette right here. No, that's Blaze. The fourth shade in the palette right here. So let's see how these colors work. I'm nervous, but we'll see. I have a pretty broad eyelid, so I'm just going to be sweeping this in a C motion, and I want to really bring it out to the edge just so it's like really cat-eyed and blown. A very blown out look. This color is so pretty. Have any of you been watching the second season of 13 Reasons Why? I'm obsessed with that show right now. Probably my favorite. It's so good. I love Clay Jensen. He is like just amazing. Comment down below, who's your favorite character in 13 Reasons Why? I also like, what's his name? What's his name? I can't think right now. I like, what is his name? I can't think right now. Once I think of it, I'll let you guys know who I'm talking about. It's literally like on the tip of my tongue. I just cannot think right now. I can't multitask. I really suck at multitasking. That's why most of my videos are voiceovers. I just can't do it for whatever reason. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my next shade. I'm going to be kind of doing like a halo smoky eye. So I'm going to be taking the color Wedge, and hopefully that plays out well. I kind of want to do Heatwave because I'm loving this like red kind of tone right now. I can't even see this color. I was really hoping this color would work. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with, well, I mean, it's kind of on there, I would say. Kind of. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and go in with Heatwave. Let's see what Heatwave is talking about. So Heatwave is showing up a little bit more, so we're just going to go with the flow. This is a pretty color, oh my gosh. I'm using the Morphe 441 brush for this. I'm just literally pushing it into my crease on the outer corner, and then I'm going to bring it into the inner corner as well. This color is so freaking pretty. Oh my god, I love this color. Wow, that's really pretty. Gonna kind of mix it in with that transition shade right in the socket of my eye. Oh my god, I love this color. This is insane. This is so freaking pretty. And the name just describes it so well. Heatwave, that is the perfect name for this shade. So it's just very warm and just I can't even explain it. It's so pretty. I feel like it just got so dark. I'm so sorry about my lighting. God, I need to get it together. Next, I'm going to be taking the color 16th Street, and I'm going to apply that in the center of my eyelid. Okay, this is pretty. Just gonna add a little bit more of this color just so that there's not that harsh line to where the two colors meet. Kind of just want them to gradually fade into each other. There we go. So I also forgot to mention, I picked up these eyelashes. This is by Ardell and the Fox Mink. These ones here. I always struggle trying to find eyelashes. Any eyelashes that I buy, they look good in the package, and then once I put them on, it's just a total mess. These ones, they almost look like eyelash extensions. Like, they're very natural. They look fluffy and soft. So we're gonna go ahead and try these today for the first time. Hopefully they go well. I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera because I totally suck at applying eyelashes, and then I will let you guys see the final result. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter and use that on my brow lid. And use that on my brow bone. Like, this color is so bomb. Rihanna did her ish, man. So, I'm going to apply some on my chin. I almost forgot about my lower lash line, so let's do that really quick. I'm going to be going in with Daybreak first. Just gonna kind of connect the two colors. Smoking that out a bit more. You're buffing out your edges. Now I'm just going in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss and I'm going to be applying that. Nothing more, nothing less. I want to keep the lips very simple and subtle. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun filming it. I loved playing in the Urban Decay Beached palette. The only con that I would say about this palette is that it does have a lot of fallout, but it's nothing that can't be fixed. You can always clean up your makeup look once you are done. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That way you are notified whenever I upload any future videos. And until then, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.